Have you posted a story on Instagram, but you forgot to mention a person or a specific Instagram page? In this quick video, we'll show you how you can easily mention a person on Instagram after posting your story. You won't have to delete your story and re-upload it, because Instagram has added a new option in the latest update. Firstly, you want to open the App Store if you are on your iOS device, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user, and we will simply check if our Instagram application is updated to the latest version. This is a new feature that Instagram has rolled out, so you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application installed on your phone. Once you update your Instagram application, we can open our app and then tag people to our story. I'm gonna open the Instagram application and I'll go over to my profile. Then, I'll click on my profile picture in order to open the story. What we have to do now is to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, where it says More. A menu with a lot of options will show up on our screen that allows us to delete the story, share the story as a post, and many more things. But we will click on this Add Mentions button right here. A list of Instagram accounts will appear on your screen, and you can simply check the accounts which you want to mention in this specific Instagram story. If you don't see the account or a person which you want to mention, you can always search for it by using the search bar option. I'm gonna tag the person which took this amazing photo, and I'll simply tap on Done at the top right corner of my screen. Tap on Add, and we will get a little pop-up that says, Mentioned users in your story. So Instagram tells me that I had successfully mentioned this person in my Instagram story, and I didn't have to delete my story or re-upload it. It's a pretty useful little feature that I know most of you will use in the future.